How to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, go to the chat section by swiping towards the left and further tap on the chat in which you want to enable disappearing messages. Now, there are two ways to enable disappearing messages. First, once you have opened the message, swipe up until you see the release to turn on vanish mode option, and with this, the disappearing message will be enabled. And the next option is tap on the individual's name on the top of your screen. Tap on that and further toggle on the vanish mode toggle button, and with this, the vanish mode will be enabled. So this is how you can enable disappearing message on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.